3950 Blackstone Avenue. Very nice area. Nice quiet building. Building has elevator, laundry, parking. Welcome to 3950 Blackstone Avenue, apartment 60. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the 6th floor of an elevator building. Tenants just moved out, so the apartment is not ready and will be cleaned and painted and all necessary repairs done. You have closets right against you, a ton of closet space throughout the apartment. So you have 1 and 2. So to the right, you're gonna have the master or the primary bedroom, large, deep closet, 2-door, fits a king-size bed comfortably. Sorry, it's dark right now, but this faces the entrance side of the building, entrance courtyard, hardwood floors throughout. Bathroom number 1 with a shower, stall. Here you go with the living room, really spacious. And here you have a balcony right off the living room. It's open, no one on top of you. Again, sorry it's dark, so we're not seeing much, but you have decent views, you get great light. This is your kitchen, which again, they just moved out, so it's not clean. You have a good amount of cabinets, pantry right there, gas oven, 5-burner oven, built-in microwave. You have a dishwasher. You have this little office, dinette area, another closet, 2 windows, and here you have another hallway closet, bathroom number 2, and bedroom number 2. It's a deep closet here as well. Thanks for watching.